Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Active Learn primary account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in Bog Club Login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land with multiple search results. From here, click on the very first link that says www.activelearnprimary.co.uk. Click over there. That will take you to the official website of ActiveLearn. And on this interface, to log into your account, at the right hand side, you will get login button. Click on login, and now you will be directed to the login page. And on this interface, you will get sign in page. Enter the username associated with your account, and under that enter the correct password. Once you are done with that, again enter your school code. In case you forgot your username or password, you can simply recover by clicking on this link that says forgot your username or password. Follow the procedure and then that will help you to recover your username or password. Now once you're done typing in your username, password and your school code, then click on sign in button, and on the next page you will be directly logged into your account. So that's how you can log into Active Learn primary account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.